volcano's about to erupt.
Sam, listen. That's the call of an Andean condor chick. And it's coming from down there.
The last chick. Don't worry, we're coming for you. Kids, a little help?
This chick's too heavy. We have to go back.
What do we do now?
Listen, little buddy, to get out of here, you're gonna have to fly on your own.
Me? Fly? But how?
I'm wondering the same thing.
Look, condors have some of the widest wingspans of any bird. With such big wings, they can use rising currents of hot air to lift themselves up into the sky. And since we're literally in the middle of a lava lake,
There's plenty of hot air all around us. Look, there's a current.
I don't know about this.
You can do it. Just follow our lead and aim for that hot air. Going up.
okay, your turn.
Just like Mom and Dad said, spread your wings, tuck your tail feathers, and flap! I'm doing it! I'm flying!
Way to go, buddy. Uh-oh, the eruption's starting.
Quick, time to fly.
Oh no! They're too late!
Mom! Dad!
Son!
Look! I'm flying! Son, you're safe! Did you guys see me flying?
We did, and we're so proud of you.
Thanks for saving our chicks, agents.
We're in. Time to swap cups.
But which one's Elliot? They all look the same. Hello, little cub. Go back to sleep. Please, please, please go back to sleep.
Sam, his eyes.
What about them?
They're blue. Leopard cubs have bright blue eyes. Lions don't.
Whiskers, it's Elliot.
You stay here with the other lion cubs, and you come with us.
What was that?
Oh no! Sam, Kit, Mayday! Quick, let's get out of here!
Oh, we're surrounded.
What are you doing in our den with one of our cubs?
Well, you're gonna laugh. I know it looks like we've got one of your cubs, but this is actually a leopard cub. Isn't that funny?
No.
Sorry to bother you. We'll just be on our way.
I have a better idea. Why don't you all stay for dinner?
Say cheese!
Sam, Kit, run! So much for our perfect plan.
Quick, get to Ron! Never mind, just keep running!
Keep running off that cliff.
It's either that or... Huh? Do you hear that?
Stick walls.
Sam! Kid! Jump! You made it!
do we do?
Are you all right down there?
We're okay, but we're stuck.
Hang on! We're gonna get you out! Rope's too short.
And the cold's jammed up our clay claws.
Whoa!
Gotcha!
Sam, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Chain of monkeys.
Uh-huh.
Okay, everyone. We've all got to work together. Or should I say, link together.
If we all hold on to each other, we can make a chain long enough to reach them. Grab on!
It's working!
Just a little farther!
I think we're about to find out. The hot spring! Kit, we're running out of time. Maybe instead of chasing the squirrel, we can lure him to us?
Good idea. But we need some kind of bait, and he already has the fancy corn. What could be better than that?
Stinkwells, does this portable popcorn popper work?
Yeah, it's battery-powered for extra corn popping portability.
Kit, meet me in the cafeteria.
The only squirrel bait better than fancy corn.
Is fancy popcorn. Quiet, everyone. Here we go.
That smells like popcorn.
Gotcha!
Now, hand over the fancy corn.
There must be a misunderstanding here. I'm just a cute little squirrel. Oh, I'm sorry. You got me. I just couldn't help myself. I just really like corn.
Put down those moths!
No way!
Quick, after... Whoa! Are you asleep right now?
Oh, sorry. I didn't get my 18 hours yesterday. I'm awake now, promise.
Let's go.
Can't catch me!
Sam, I'm starting to think this bird actually likes being chased.
I think you're right. Come on.
Ooh, this looks fun!
Oh, brother. I'll get her.
Wait for us.
Oh, this was easier with one person.
Even 2 people was easier.
I just want to say I feel real close to both of you right now.
Go right.
No! Left! Whoa!
We'll never catch her like this.
Yes, we will. Just stay cool.
Stay cool?
Deep breaths, smooth moves. That's it. Nice and easy. No sudden movements. We all move as one. Ooh, yeah.
Hey, I think we're getting the hang of this.
Come on! The J's just up ahead!
Huh? Wow, you guys don't quit!
Not until we get those moths!
Look out!
Huh?
Quick, lift me. Got him.
Whew! Everyone okay?
Yup.
I'm all right, and so are the moths. Anything you'd like to say to our sloth friend here?
Sorry for causing so much trouble. But those moths are really tasty.
I get it, but I need those moths. No moths means no algae, and no algae means no camouflage.
Guess I have to find something else to eat.
Oh, you know, I got some lice that are super itchy, and it's really bumming me out. You wanna try one?
Oh, lice! I didn't see those before. Yum!
Ugh, a little gross, but still, that's another creature case
Closed!